Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check book details on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and now you should click on the home icon down below, and then you should select a book that you are interested in, either from these listed books here. You can choose from a bunch of options, or feel free to type in the title of a book, or you can search by author and so on. So after selecting the book that you would like to know more about, you should scroll down till you find this book details section. Here you can see the original title, date of publication, the publisher's name, edition, language, the character setting, and so on. By going back, you can also read the plot, and basically that's it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.